Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing in and navigating to your profile. This is where LinkedIn stores education entries. Once on the profile, click Me Then View Profile and use the pencil or Add Profile section to expose education fields. Make sure to choose desktop when possible because the interface shows full options. Begin filling institution name and degree right away so you don't lose momentum, and pause only to confirm dates and the correct spelling of the school name before continuing to the next step. Next, you focus on the middle, where details matter. Enter the school name, degree, field of study, and start/end dates so LinkedIn can match the institution. Once done, add optional items like grade, activities, a concise description, or media. These improve discoverability and context. Make sure to select the right degree type from the drop-down to avoid mismatches. Review for typos and consistency with diplomas and transcripts. Then hit Save to commit the changes and update your public profile immediately. Finally, confirm that the new education appears correctly on your public profile and that privacy settings are set as you prefer. This controls who sees the entry. If you see duplicates or old versions, delete the incorrect entries and keep the most accurate one. If LinkedIn fails to save or shows odd behavior, refresh the page, clear your browser cache, or re-enter the fields. Sometimes a brief wait resolves sync issues. If problems persist, try the mobile app or contact LinkedIn support for account-specific help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.